Welcome on in for our 7th official pack vlog. Appreciate you tuning in for some more luxury cardboard. If you do enjoy openings, nature, creative content, card shows, stuff like that, please stick around because that's what we do here. So today we'll be at the Browns game, be out checking some restocks, we're going to be in nature, a whole week plus of us having fun, so definitely stay tuned. As always, if you enjoy the content, please show us by leaving a like, subscribe, say something in the comments if we can improve. Let's chase something sweet today. We're here at Costco. Let's see if we can find some Pokemon cards. Surging Sparks, Costco, we got it. You know what we came to do. No games. No games. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. For my NFL fans, it's gonna be a day. Football from morning to end. Beautiful. This is the parking lot right above the Muni lot. This is called the Bluff. Best view. You got Burkefront Airport there, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame over there, stadium past it. This is the Muni lot. Browns fans everywhere. Come on, baby. Let's hit the Pikachu. It's very windy, I apologize.
I have really ugly hands.
It's like that.
So just look at the ground, okay, and just open it. So the easiest way is just like. She's not even natural, bro. Thank you. Oh, little mouse. Show that. Pull down. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All right, we're about to throw this Prismatic Evolutions pack up there. Can we make it? Can we make it? The Umbreon is right there. That's an Umbreon right there. At our favorite place earlier than we were the other morning, so hopefully we can get something today. Alright, so they do have the Greifei box, the mystery boosters, which we're gonna get, and then lots of sports. I know we got a lot of people who hate on the Pokemon content, so here's your sports haul. Ooh, what is this? Select. Very good. Alright, let's get out of here, go to work. Alright, which one do you want? I'm at 50, 110,
70, 130, 190, 220,
70,
380,
340,
500, 590, 690, 850.
nice. So I'm at, let's do this again. 130, 190, 240,
370,
add it for me.
460,
Add it for me.
530,
Add it for me.
580, my gosh.
Coach, bro.
840.
You got it, coach, bro. Thanks a lot for that.
Here at Empire Game Center, let's get the Mewtwo.
Crystal.
Coming back from the LGS. We're doing a little car rip dad to the pack vlog today. Yeah, sorry. I encouraged the Gamba. We got a Grimer, Team Rocket, Magikarp, Staryu, Hippowdon, an Ogre Pond. We got a Grimer, Porygon, Gorbis. Alright, and here we are to end the pack vlog. Just wanted, before we open the last couple packs, go over the winners of the giveaways. We've got Trip Nasty, who placed second on YouTube. We've got SSB Fan 24, who's our grand prize winner on X. And we've got YouTube winner, the grand prize winner, Enchanting Gaming. Enchanting Gaming, go ahead and reach out to us on X. We will get you squared away with that collection box, the slabs, the singles, all the good stuff. To end the video, we've got 2 packs of Destined Rivals. Let's go, guys. Still chasing the Mewtwo. Have pulled, I think, 2 SIRs out of Destined Rivals. We pulled the Crobat, and then we've also pulled the Nidoking. So obviously still looking for the Mewtwo. Let's see what we can do. We got a Nidoran, a Flaffy, a Drowsy, a Toadschool, Team Rocket's Ariana, Psyduck, and Yanmega. Alright. We'll take it. And abnormally, we're going to open 2 packs to end the video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a subscription, comment on the video. If you have some suggestions on how we can improve, please leave those in the comments as well. A like goes a long way. If you guys like giveaways, make sure you stick around, because we're going to have another one announced next week. And we're going to keep chasing. Dipplin, Swallow, and a Zamazenta. Again, I appreciate you guys as tuning in as always for tuning in for some luxury cardboard. Go ahead and go check us out on X. And then, guys, if you won the giveaway, reach out so we can give you some stuff. Talk to you again real soon. Peace.